Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to create your AWS account in 2025. Whether you're a developer, student, or entrepreneur, this quick tutorial will help you get started with Amazon Web Services in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and search for AWS or AWS Console. Click on the link to aws.amazon.com. Now click the Create Account button in the top right corner. Enter your root user email and set an AWS account name. This email will be your main login in the future. Click Verify Email Address. Then check your inbox for a code and paste it here. Next, create a strong password for your root user. Now enter your details: full name, phone number, and address. You can use any working mobile number here. Enter your credit or debit card details. They won't charge you now, but make sure your card has at least $1 available for verification. You'll need to verify your phone number next. Choose text message for easier verification, then enter a number you can access. Now solve the CAPTCHA shown on screen. You'll receive a 4-digit OTP. Enter it when it arrives. Finally, choose the basic support plan, which is free. Click Complete Sign Up, and that's it. Your AWS account is now ready. Be sure to check your email then. You'll usually get 3 confirmation messages about your sign-up.